course. In today's video, we'll take a look at another interesting function provided by the string class, that is split. Say if you have a string variable called time to store current time in hour, minute, second format, where each value is separated by a colon. Now, if the program requirement is to obtain the hour, minute, and second values separately, how will you do this? That's where split function comes into picture and saves us time and effort. You can simply provide the separator to the split function, on which the function will break the string and return an array of all the strings obtained after the split. And then you can access the array to obtain each value. Let's take another example of date. If you store date as a string in date, month, and year format, you'll be using separators like hyphen or backslash to distinguish between each component. Now again, if you want these values separately, you want date separately or month separately, or you just want to know what year it is, you don't want the complete date, we can again call the split function on date with hyphen as separator. The values that you will get in the resulting array would be 10, Jan, and 2017. And they are stored in the array in the sequence in which they occur. So the first element of the array, that is ARR 0, would be 10. Next element would be Jan, and then the last element would have 2017. So to access the year, you can go ahead and access the last element of the array. Instead of just providing a single character for split, you can also use regular expression to do the split. A very basic example is, let's say you have a string wherein you have to split on white spaces. So as shown on the screen, you can call the split function by giving the regular expression for space delimiter, and you'll get all the words of the string in the array. So this is how regular expressions are used to perform split on strings. So I hope you understood the split function. I'll see you in the next video.